Hi, the first resource that I've selected is How to AV TV. The ISTE references that I'm using the ISTE Standards for Educators. I'm using 4B, which is collaborate and co-learn with students to discover and use new digital resources and diagnose and troubleshoot technology issues and design authentic learning activities that align with content area standards and use digital tools and resources to maximize active deep learning. The reason I selected How to AV-TV is it gives my students a little more detailed explanation on how certain audio principles work. It elaborates on some of the things that I teach in a different way than I would teach. And one of my students looked around and found this for me, so I'm going to go with it. The way I get to it is first I go to Google and I type in How to AV. And when I went down, I have two choices. I have How to AV TV. I have their website, but they also have a YouTube channel. And for the videos, I think the YouTube channel is a lot easier to navigate. So I select the YouTube channel and hopefully it opens shortly. And here is the AV-TV YouTube channel. And for my class, the majority of the things that they're going to learn is the audio principles. So I can go down and select either HDMI, audio visual. But audio here is probably the best way to look at it. So I can just click on the audio portion and it will list all of the different videos that they have. Not only that, these videos are all relatively short, only 5 minutes, so it should keep their attention. So how to use a handheld microphone is one. It's a pretty good video, and it'll just help them see a different way to use their equipment. And let's see. So the intended
Welcome to howtoav.tv.
So the intended audience for this are, of course, my students and my fellow instructor who teaches with me. It gives both of us a different way to explain certain audio concepts. Thank you very much.